Hi everyone again. In this video I will show how to create your own mod for DAYZ. On this channel there are 2 or even 3 videos about that, but I decided to make another one in English. As you know, all my videos next will be in English. So how to create your own mod? A simple mod, just the base. So we must first create some folder. It must contain this symbol and then anything as you want. Test. This will be our mod. In this folder we create new folder and we name it add-ons. New folder will be keys. Here we places our keys. How to create them? Open DAYZ tools, DAYZ utils. We must to put new. Place here your name, the path where to look for it, and create key. OK. So we have got our keys. Private key we place for you in some folder and hide it. And this here too. This we don't need. So in mod we place always this key, not this, not private, always this. Copy and place. Then in folder add-ons we create new folder, and this folder would be our PBO. Finally we call it test2, but it must not have the same name as our first folder. Here we can place many folders and many mods in this folder. So finally mod is this, but not this. So this is just a structure of a mod, and in this folder maybe even some group of mods. So this is our first mod, and this mod we call test. In this mod we place these 2 files. In this prefix, this is just a text file, but we must call them as here, and then open it with Notepad and call test, or the name we have chosen for our mod. Here it must look like here, and always here must be our name of PBO file. We have test. Then in mod we place our content. What content may be? This could be, for example, scripts, this could be, for example, some textures, models, and config. Config is needed always. So, for example, this is our new mod. Config. In my mods, in config, I have always class CFG patches, always CFG mods, and some content, some items that I change, some new items that I add, and so on, and other classes that I add or change. So first we have to create these two classes, CFG mods and CFG pages. They must look as here. Not any line is needed here, but some lines is needed. If we will use scripts, we have to add these lines. I would add in the description of the video my old videos about how to create mods. And then I told about these lines in detail. So this is the most used lines for world or 3 game. The most of files in mods are aligned here. So in my mods I always use these two paths, but there are maybe and another. But if you don't use and don't change in your mod scripts, you may not use and you may even delete these lines, but they don't disturb us. They may be here even if you don't use scripts in your mods. So it may be like this, even if you don't use scripts. So your first mod may look like here. Then we place that we want to change or add. But the main structure is here. In next videos I will show how to add new item in your mod, and we will use these two classes, CFG mods and CFG pages, and we will add a new item. But now we just look how to pack, how to sign your mod. This is only base video. So we have this folder, these files, and for example some model and texture, and here some additional item in our mod. Then how to finish our mod and use in our game. We have to pack this folder that lies in folder add-ons. We have to pack like I do, pack as test. Then this folder we may delete, may leave here, doesn't matter. Then we go to DAYZ tools, DAYZ utils, and we must sign our mod. We choose our folder with our keys. We have changed the path with our keys. We created on the desktop, but now we changed the path. So we must change it. New folder. Okay. Here is the right path. Then we add new source directory, our mod. It found their test PBO, and we just push process files. Yes. And we see that our test PBO was signed. It is good. Then we push publisher, and we can publish this mod in Steam. New workshop item. Place here our name. without this symbol. Then we find our mod test. Here we indicate our folder with content of mod. This is the same folder. Private, public, place public, description, notes, and I agree. Then publish. So in our Steam, in content, we will see our new mod. Here it is. We can subscribe on it or delete and something else. Then look, there is some nuance. When you have published your mod, it will not work, because there are in mods some files like meta.cpp, and there, after your first publish, there will not be this line would be 0, and this is not good. So how to repair it? It is simple. We just have to wait some time, on an average 10 minutes, and then we must to publish our mod again. If we haven't changed our PBO, we don't have to sign it again. So we want just to publish it again. Publisher, test, agree, update. We not create new item, we push on test on our previous mod that we update. We must to update our mod. By the way, look here, test, see, 0 here, and with this 0 our clients, our players on our server will not see this mod, so it is not good. So we updated our mod, go there, unsubscribe, then delete our mod and subscribe. Go to our launcher, mods, and here we see our test mod. So then go to workshop, test, meta, and we see here the number. So the mod was correctly finished and correctly updated. This is the end. We have our own mod, our public mod, and it will work. In next video we will add our own new item on our server in our mod, and there will be new videos about how to create new model, how to use PA textures with these models. This all will be at my channel, and there are many videos on my channel already, so subscribe my channel, put your like, and all now, comrades. Bye for everyone.